Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool mixer right here, and basically what this is a portable space heater. And you see the way how they designed the product is like a fixed position, so it doesn't have like the oscillating option on here. But you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they tell you guys the watts on here, and it is a ceramic heater. If you guys turn on the side right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So you see right here, they do mention how the product has like the overheat protection. It definitely has like the tip over protection as well. If you guys turn on this side right here, they probably got some more specs and features as well. But first, they actually open the package to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So the little protective cover right here. But once you guys take it out, you can definitely see the product inside right here. It's definitely very small and portable. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, you can definitely see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. And we see right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. But let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see this is basically what the product looks like here. So you see in the front right here, they do have the brand logo right here. And right here, we do have the ceramic heater. And on top right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when the product is on and off. And when you gotta change the different modes on here. And you see on top right here, they do give you guys the option to change the different heat temperature on here. And you see right here, they do give you guys the option to use it as a heater or a fan as well. If you guys turn the back part here, this is basically what the back part looks like. So right here, we see they do give you guys a handle option. So that way, if you guys want to carry around, you can definitely do that on here. And then right here, we do have the cable that's going to plug in to actually activate the product. And then the very bottom right here, if you see they do have like the non-stick material. But you see right here, they do have like the tip over protection. So once you guys put it on the ground, it goes down. And once the product tips over, it will turn off by itself. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. If you see it's super compact and portable, so you can bring this with you guys anywhere. You can definitely put this onto your desk or wherever you guys want to. But I'm actually going to plug this in to actually test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here is the product. And I have my temperature checker right here. So when you check the temperature on here, it's around 76 degrees. But let's turn on the fan option on here first. Alright. So you see the fan option on here definitely does work. So you see the temperature on here is definitely going down because of the fan option. But now let's turn on the heat option. So definitely when you guys turn on the heat, you do have the option to change the temperature on here. So here's one hot or cold. If you guys want to change the different temperature mode on here in terms of high or low, you guys want to turn it right here. So this is on low temperature. You can see how it actually heats up really fast on here. But when you guys turn the highest one, now it's on the highest one. You can see how the temperature goes up really fast and really high as well. So it's around like almost 250 degrees Fahrenheit or even higher. You can see how it's going up. It gets even close to like 300. So you can see everything on here definitely does work. From the fan option to the heater option. But now let's test out the tip over protection. So we just tilt the product. It basically turns it off. But once you guys put it back down, it turns it back on. So unless you guys turn the knob right here to turn it off, you actually stay on even when you guys put it back. But definitely eventually the product definitely does work. If you guys can check the temperature on here again, it's definitely really hot. And definitely love the option of how you guys have the handle part in the back. So that way you can carry around really easily if you guys need to. So that is basically how you guys use the product on here. Eventually everything definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So next real quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So then once you guys plug it in the cable, you can definitely change the different options on here in terms of different temperature setting and also like the fan option or the heater option on here. I definitely love the fact that how they do provide you guys the option to use as a heater or a fan. So that way you get a 2-in-1 and you don't have to buy like a separate fan. And definitely once you guys activate the product, you can definitely feel the heat like immediately. But definitely one to remember is that when you guys get the space heater right here, it's a fixed position. So it doesn't have like the oscillating option on here. So if you guys are trying to look for a space heater that has like the oscillating option on here, you probably want to go for something else. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable space heater that has like the fan option, the heater option, and also like the overheat protection and tip over protection as well. Then we definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.